Hello everyone, and welcome to the official unboxing of Boone and Jacque Sahon, the final book of the series. And I expecto patronum you to be watching. So all you Harry Potter fans, grab your wands and grab your butterbeer and indulge in the magic of the final reveal of Boone and Jacque Sahon. I want you to alohomora your imagination and watch as I reveal the final book of Boone and Jacque. Unfortunately, I'm a muggle, okay? So, this is ineffective. This instead. It's not lame, Andre. Learn your magic. Come on, damn it. Come on, Andre. Don't know how to open a freaking box? Come on. Thank you. Here we go. Oh my god. Can't believe it's all wrapping up. 4 years, guys. 4 years of my life of focusing on two main characters, doing a full-time job, focusing on all my social media, staying on top of it, teaching writers whenever I can. I mean, this is just insane to think about, that it's all over. Not over. I mean, this series is over. I don't know what's going to happen to the characters. I'm planning on a standalone novel for each character, but okay. We're live on TikTok, by the way. Yeah. Let's see how many people are going to join in, huh? Okay. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that TikTok. Doesn't that look amazing? Look at that. Just a second, YouTube people. I want TikTok to get a full view of this. Look at that. Ain't she a beaut? Okay. So, obviously I'm going to do a book launch for this, but I wanted to do a whole video for this. So, as a little bonus, I'll do a little reading for you, maybe like 3 pages. So, Boone and Jacque Sahon. Self-imprisonment underneath the heavy cloak of fear is a fate worse than death. Part 1, Catapult. Boone. Chapter 1. A powder blue cloud descending towards the Sahon water thundered 1,000 walnut-crunching echo along its surface. Lightning arched across the dark purple sky as thunder boomed once more. A silver sphere no bigger than a tennis ball emerged from the center of the cloud and hovered over a thin, red, jelly-like film on the water's surface. The sphere whirred closer and closer to the wrinkled film across the water until it slowly broke open, a steaming rip in the film. The silver sphere slipped under slowly until it was entirely encompassed by the chilly and inky water. The film over the water sealed itself, rippling suddenly when the sphere rocketed down beneath the depths of the water. A few feet down it halted. The sphere didn't stay still for long. A white and red glowing dot opened in the middle of it. Scanning the midnight black starless night of water, the sphere began to move in an erratic yet calculated twists and turns, descending further and further down, accompanied only by the sound of its centrifugal force whirring and vibrating. The spheres became horizontal, as if swinging like a trapeze artist tripping on acid, afraid to fall beyond the line that separates reality from fiction, light from dark, internal heaven and hell. The sphere came upon an encompassing net of glittering red sand. Strangely, each grain kept a distance from the sphere. It moved in a circle, understanding it could not connect with the sand. Furious, it remained still and stopped its centrifugal force. As it dropped below the sand, it split in two and slowly spun in a whirlpool. The sphere began to whir quietly. At a jolting speed, the whirlpools jetted down into the depths of the water. The sphere bolted down, chasing the sand with incredible speed. Its red and white light pulsated as the sphere followed the sand like a shadow. Shallow breathing and neon blue flames made the sphere croak in a low and terrifying cry like a distressed camel. Two bodies floated into the depths of water, held up by dark roots. Each body had long, furled gills on the neck. The whirlpools enveloped the bodies tightly. The sphere descended slowly, approaching the one on the right first. "Boone," croaked a godly alligator voice. The sphere looked to the body on the left. "Jacque," croaked the headless voice. Understanding it couldn't make contact directly with either person, the sphere ejected its red and white glowing eye. It split in two and floated into the chest of each body. Suddenly, the whirlpools tightened and spun faster. The roots released them. Flames were snuffed out one by one, and the gills closed and disappeared in a blood-curdling crunch. Boone and Jacque began to grimace. Before they could attempt to breathe or grab at their chests, the whirlpools ascended them eastbound. The sphere followed them as fast as it could. The path became stomach-churning, twisting left, right, up, down, corkscrewing in infinite directions. Then, in a blink of an eye, the two were separated, leaving the sphere all by itself. It watched Boone float up to the surface of the water, his body surrounded by red and white light. The sphere sunk out of sight. Boone awoke in a heart-pounding jump out of the water. And that is it. It is over. That is crazy to think about. Oh my god. Okay, so series is complete. You can get all the books on Amazon as a Kindle or paperback. If I ever decide to make it an audiobook, I'll definitely let you know. But in the meantime, here is the entire series.